Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates on the stock market. Today, we're diving into a company that's been making waves in the semiconductor industry, Micron Technology. We'll be discussing its recent performance, what the future might hold, and whether or not it's a good investment. So, let's get started. So, what exactly does Micron Technology do? Well, Micron is a leading manufacturer of memory and storage solutions. From DRAM to NAND flash memory, Micron's products are critical components in everything from computers and smartphones to data centers and automotive applications. As the world becomes increasingly digital, the demand for Micron's products is expected to grow. Now, let's talk about how Micron stock has been performing lately. Over the past few months, we've seen a lot of volatility in the semiconductor space. Micron, like many others, has faced challenges such as supply chain disruptions and fluctuating demand. However, despite these hurdles, the company has posted solid financial results. In its latest earnings report, Micron beat Wall Street expectations with revenue of $X billion, representing a X% year-over-year increase. What's particularly interesting is Micron's margin improvement. The company has been focusing on cost management and efficiency, which has helped boost its operating margins. This is a strong indicator of management's ability to navigate the current market conditions. Let's zoom out a bit and look at the broader industry trends. The semiconductor sector is poised for significant growth, driven by the rise of AI, 5G, and cloud computing. Micron is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. However, there are some headwinds to consider, such as potential regulatory challenges and the ongoing geopolitical tensions that could impact global supply chains. So, what does the future hold for Micron? Analysts are generally optimistic about the company's long-term prospects. The transition to DDR5 memory, increased demand for high-performance computing, and the growth of data-intensive applications are all expected to drive Micron's growth. However, as with any investment, there are risks to be aware of. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, and Micron will need to continue innovating to maintain its edge. Now, the big question, should you invest in Micron stock? Well, that depends on your investment strategy. If you're a long-term investor who believes in the future of technology, Micron could be a solid addition to your portfolio. The stock is currently trading at a reasonable valuation compared to its peers, and the company has a strong balance sheet. However, if you're risk-averse or concerned about short-term volatility, you might want to wait for a better entry point. That's all for today's video on Micron Technology. I hope you found this analysis helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be interested. And as always, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Micron is a buy, sell, or hold? I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This script gives a comprehensive overview of Micron Technology, touching on the company's background, recent performance, industry trends, and investment potential. Adjust the specifics like financial figures or market news based on the most recent data. QWRQWRQT